Hey there, Four Rivers Association members. I'm Yitzchak Pierson, and I'm thrilled to be considered for a position on the board of directors. I wanted to take a few moments to let you get to know me a little bit better and share why I'm excited about this opportunity. So, a little bit about me. I grew up in a family of entrepreneurs, so hard work and hustle are in my DNA. At 18, I dove into the industrial manufacturing industry and spent 11 years climbing that ladder. But deep down, I knew I wanted more out of life. That's when I discovered real estate investing back in 2018. And let me tell you, I was hooked. In 2020, I became a licensed realtor and jumped into the world of residential real estate. In my first year, I was honored to be named Rookie of the Year by this very association. Since then, I've dedicated myself to providing the highest level of service for my clients, backed by over 630 hours of residential real estate education with several certifications and designations that I'm not going to bore you with. Real estate isn't just about transactions for me, it's about community. That's why I've taken on leadership roles like chairing the Next Gen Committee and serving on the Philanthropy Committee with the New Braunfels JCs. And in 2025, I'm excited to contribute to the Professional Standards Committee for Texas Realtors. So why do I deserve to serve on the board of directors? Because I believe in raising the bar for our profession. I'm passionate about helping my fellow realtors succeed, just like this association has helped me grow and succeed. Together, we can continue to make our community stronger, more connected, and even more successful. Whether it's through education, leadership, or just getting to know each other at a local event, I'm here to make a positive impact, and I'm ready to bring that same energy and dedication to the board of directors. So I want to thank you for considering me for this position. Let's keep making Four Rivers the best it can be together.